Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this tutorial, we will find out how we can create a new Flutter project with web support, or also we learned how we can add web support to an existing Flutter project. So for doing that, we will go to terminal. In terminal, of course, we need to have Flutter installed. So first of all, we need to switch to channel master. Which I'm already in there. You can just type Flutter channel and then master. It's gonna switch there. Also, then you will do Flutter upgrade, which I did already, and then Flutter doctor to find out that your Flutter is pretty healthy. Okay, until now we are ready for Flutter, but for making Flutter to creating web support easily. Here we just need to type Flutter config / enable web. So this is what we need to do, and in later then it's gonna be switched to true. So if I just type Flutter config, I will see status what is enabled. So web is enabled. Then now I can create also before that I'm gonna do Flutter devices to see if after upgrade and everything I need to see if I have Chrome connected. Yes, I have Google Chrome connected, ready for acting as an emulator or simulator. Okay, so now I can create my project. So I just say Flutter, oh my god, Flutter create. Okay, Flutter web, we cannot use capitals, so web support. So this gonna create one project for me. So the only thing that's important, I need to make sure it's worked correctly. I need to find index.html. I need to make sure that it create that file for me. This give me idea that about 90% everything is okay. Yes, here you go. You can see that it's made web and even index.html for me. Okay, so now easily I can go to this directory. So I can say cd, but oh, that took me to the root. So here I say pw, yeah, I mean root. So I need to go to document. Okay, to find out that path easily, I can open it here. File. I'll go to my Visual Studio Code, and I can go to I can open this. So it is in my documents. Flutter project, Flutter web support. And here my main file gonna be main dot, a start point. to find out what is the directory. Copy paths, okay, of this. So I just say cd command v, and I'll come to the project. So pwd now, so you will see now I'm in the project. So here inside the project I can run it. So for doing from command line, I just say flutter run /d and Chrome. It's gonna run it over the Chrome. So this is gonna do that, but if you want, you can run it from Visual Studio as well. So in your Visual Studio, you just need to come to the run and say run without debugging, or even you can click here. So I start running that. So until then, I'm gonna show you some more command lines. So we learned how we can switch channel with Flutter channel, and we learned how we can upgrade Flutter upgrade, and we learned how we can find devices with Flutter devices. Also, Flutter Doctor gonna give you idea that how is you know, status of your Flutter, and if you need anything, you know, add or remove anything. And also here I'll show you a structure of you know, my Flutter project. This project right now supporting iOS, Android, and even web. Even you can add some more support like desktop for that, which I'll you know, work on them you know, separately in separate video. So yes, here my Chrome is run, and here you see this is my Flutter project running over the web, and it's no need to any device, it's on the web. So now your project can even run, not only can run in iOS and Android, can be you know, run, you can have it run on browsers, which make your hand you know, open to you know, to you know, sell your product in even more you know, bigger market. Okay, and now after we made this brand new project, we can go and there is a question actually, how we can add web support to an existing you know, Flutter project without web support. It's easy, not big deal. So what we do, we will go to the project. I'm going to the our GitHub and pick up this project code and download it. It said download zip, but it's not gonna download a zip, it's gonna download directory. Here you will see that this project was Flutter drawer menu, but it's add /master, which is you know, master build of that. This /master, it's not acceptable Flutter name. So if you we need to rename this before we move forward. So what I do, I rename this directory to Flutter, my project name. Okay, and here, and then I right click and push option, then I copy path, then I'll go to the terminal. In terminal, I'll go to this directory, and here first of all I need to make sure my Flutter is in channel master. So I don't know why I keep typing Flutter right. Flutter channel. So we need to make sure that it's master, and then we run Flutter upgrade, and then we say Flutter slash Flutter config slash enable slash web. So I need to active web to support in my Flutter config. And now here I'm inside the project, and what I do, I just say Flutter create dot. So that's it, and enter. So this command gonna look at the project and create web support for that. You will see that the directory web with index.html. This is the key point. Make sure that this is exists in there, and yeah, it's create that one. So now I can run it with just type Flutter run, or Flutter run slash d Chrome to make sure to run it in the browser. But I want to do it with Visual Studio. So I'll go to Visual Studio, file, open, and I'll go to download Flutter here. I open this in my Visual Studio, and here you will see the main Dart is my home page, and I'm gonna run this. It's here you will see my device is Chrome. So what I do, I can click on here to run this. This gonna run it, actually debug and then run it, but to do it faster, I go to run without debugging. Okay, so until this thing, this being completed, I'll go back to here and in command line. And in command line, I'll just show you Flutter config command. So this Flutter config show you that say what is your setting, also tell you what other setting you can. You can say we can enable Linux desktop, we can enable Mac OS desktop. I'm gonna test it. Actually, I'm gonna test all of them, in separate videos. Android, iOS. So all of this let you to build. And yes, we are waiting. Yeah, okay. So our Chrome being triggered, and now it's waiting for connection. And yes, here we are. We have our project with drawer menu, slide menu inside. So you will see how easy we add, and this is in browser, we add web support, and Flutter open new word for us. We can do all of the requirements, including web, with Flutter. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to be subscribed and watch other videos which are about the Flutter, Swift, and interview, and also Node.js. And if you have any question, correction, issue, or any request, you are always welcome. I wish the best for you. Have a good one. Bye.